Welcome to the Nirodha's classes. I am Sumeet and now in the Nirodha classes we are going to start a new current affairs batch. So what is first the current affairs means? What is the contemporary issue and why it is so much important in the UPSC as well as the changed MPSC pattern. So what you read in the newspaper is just the current news, not the complete issue. So, in the current affairs batch, what we are going to cover is the contemporary or the current issue which is related with your GS or the change MPSC pattern syllabus topics. So, what we are going to cover in the contemporary issues or in the batch, as the new aspirants are the fearful of the current affairs. So, what are the fear in their minds? So, what is first the current affairs? How to read it? How to link that current affairs with the syllabus topics? So, where do we find the comprehensive notes of the current affairs? Another thing, how to write a good answers which can fetch a good amount of marks in the final exam. So, these are the multiple questions comes in every aspirant's mind. So, the solution for all these questions is the new launch of the current affairs batch. So, what we are going to cover in the batch? So, in the batch, we are going to focus over the issues of related with the polity and the governance, which belongs to your GS 2 paper. Okay. Another, we are going to cover the issues of the society. Society belongs to your GS 1 paper. Okay. The international relations related issues, which is belongs to your GS 3 paper, GS 2 paper, IR topic. Okay. The economics portion, the relevant news, the current related news of the economics, which belongs to your GS 3 paper, we are going to cover. Another thing of the disaster management, security, as well as the GS4 case studies, which are related with your current affairs, we are going to cover in our current affairs batch. So, what is the agenda of the batch? What we are going to deliver in this batch? In this batch, we are going to cover more than 100 plus topics. So, in these topics, we are going to actually focus over the comprehensive, the current contemporary topic as well as the comprehensive coverage of the every topic. With this, we are going to provide a crisp one-page note of the every topic so that you will get the very easy understanding of the whole topic as well as you will find very easy to revise it in the one page note. The special focus is on the syllabus, examples, diagrams as well as the flow chart which can fetch you the extra marks in the final exam. So if you focus on this or if you have the ready-made material of this, then you will find very easy to write a particular answer in a better manner. What we are going to cover, we are going to cover the newspaper like the Hindu, Indian Express, and other. And also we are going to cover the magazines like the Yojana and the Kurukshetra. And the best thing in the current affairs batch is the answer writing. In every batch, we are going to write 2 to 3 answers of the covered topics in the present class, as well as we are going to assess them in the class itself. So these are the benefits of the current affairs batch. So this is a one-page note which can be provided with of the every topic in the current affairs batch. This is a BIMSTEC note for the reference purpose. Here we are actually covered the introduction related part. So what is BIMSTEC, when it is formed. Second, the institutions related with the BIMSTEC. Third, why BIMSTEC is very much important in the present context. Another thing, the challenges BIMSTEC actually facing in the contemporary. What is the difference between the SARC and the BIMSTEC and why both are the important one in the present context? What is the way forward? And in the recent time, the fifth summit of the BIMSTEC happened. What are the achievements of that fifth summit? So in this way, we are going to deliver you the complete comprehensive one-page note with the facts, with the flow chart, with the diagrams, which are essential for your good answer writing practice. In the last, what are the fear factors in the every aspirant in terms of the current affairs? So they are confused with the sources. So we are actually covering in the whole class the 4 to 5 topics in every Saturday, and there we are going to cover different magazines, newspaper. The second thing, the students find difficulty in the conceptual clarity and the analytical thinking, how to link the current affairs topic with the syllabus. So that's linkages we are going to provide you in the current affairs batch. So students waste unnecessary time over reading multiple issues again and again, and they find difficulty in making the comprehensive notes of a particular issue which goes on for a long, for 15 days or a month. So we are going to provide one page note which can help you to interlink all the contemporary issues which are coming in the newspaper in the past month. So these are the certain benefits and the solutions with us for joining the current affairs. So we are actually launching the current affairs batch from the 6th of August for the both UPSC as well as the MPSC aspirants. Uh, I wish I will see all of you in the batch. Thank you.